It's incredible. I mean, it's a dream. I look at 20 years ago and thought about my ideal idea or dream of a career, and this is well and above all of that.
It was such a fun movie to make, and I think you can really tell on screen that everyone's like having a great time, and I think audiences will too.
I was so excited with anticipation to see the film tonight, to see my friends, and I totally forgot about the joy of seeing all of the fans. It's like really a reminder of why we make these movies.
Really worked hard on that last film and made something great, and to be able to do it again, it's a lot of pressure, but we pulled it off.